दोस्तों, आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एक चैप्टर अकाउंट्स का क्लास 11th का इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, जिसमें हम इन फॉलोइंग टॉपिक्स को कवर करेंगे। आइए चलते हैं फर्स्ट टॉपिक पे, जो है हमारा गैप, जनरल रली एक्सेप्टेड अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स और गैप। These are the basic rules that define the parameter and constraints within which accounting operates. These principles are the theory base of accounting on the basis of which financial statements are prepared. हम लोग इसको ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि ये बेसिक रूल्स है जो डिफ़ाइन करता है पैरामीटर्स कि किस तरह से अकाउंटिंग होनी चाहिए, और प्रिंसिपल जिसको फॉलो करके हम लोग अपने एंटरप्राइजेस की फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट बना सकते हैं। ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, has issued accounting standards to standardize the accounting practices adopted to prepare financial statements. जैसे कि आपने पहले बताया, इन सब प्रिंसिपल्स को फॉलो करके हम लोग अपने फर्म के लिए एक फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। आइए नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे आते हैं। दूसरा टॉपिक है हम लोग का मीनिंग एंड नेचर ऑफ अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स। प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अकाउंटिंग आर द जनरल लॉ और रूल अडॉप्टेड और पर्पस एज अ गाइड टू एक्शन। इसको हम ये कह सकते हैं, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अकाउंटिंग दीज आर द जनरल्स लॉ और रूल्स थ्रू विच द अकाउंटिंग्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड। लेट्स सी द डेफिनेशन। अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल आर द रूल्स अडॉप्टेड बाय द अकाउंटेंट्स। मतलब ये कैसा रूल है जो जनरली एक्सेप्टेड रहता है बाय ऑल द अकाउंटेंट्स टू प्रिपेयर द फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शंस, to record assets, liabilities, expenses, income, etc. And first are accounting concepts. These are some basic assumptions of fundamental proposition within which accounting operates. These are generally accepted accounting rules. मतलब accounting concept है generally accepted accounting rules through which the following transactions or business transactions are recorded for the firm or enterprises. And second are accounting conventions. Accounting conventions are the outcome of the practices or principles being followed by the enterprises. These are the profit or losses which are shown through by making balance sheet by the following uses of accounting principles. Convention may undergo a change with the time to time, bring about improvement in the quality of accounting informations. These both accounting concepts and accounting conventions are the principle based on which transactions are recorded and financial statements are prepared. We come to the third topic, features of accounting principles. First, accounting principles are man-made. Accounting principles are man-made, therefore they are the best possible suggestions based on practical experience, as they are recommended by all enterprises to ensure uniformity and understandability. मतलब कि ये प्रिंसिपल्स मैन मेड हैं और मतलब सारे अकाउंटेंट्स या कह सकते हैं सारे लोग रिकमेंड करते हैं इंटरप्राइजेस में ये अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल यूज़ करने के लिए, ताकि सारे लोग समझ सकें इंटरप्राइजेस के फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स को। उसको कह सकते हैं हम लोग इंटरनल यूज़र्स या आउटसाइडर्स लाइक बैंक्स, गवर्नमेंट्स। और सेकेंड हुए अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स. Accounting principles are not rigid but flexible, which are not permanent and change with time to time. Third is accounting principles are generally accepted, as these are uniformity and understandability. So these are generally accepted. First is relevance. Accounting principles are relevant if these result in information that is useful to users of accounting information. Here accounting information is referred to those people who are interested to see or to know about the financial position of the enterprises, like the manager, worker, etc. Objective principle accounting principles are objective. They are not influenced by the personal base of the person preparing the accounting informations. मतलब accounting principles are the objective if they are not influenced by the personal base. Here personal base can be understood by the things which are kept secretly or not shown in the financial statement. Flexible accounting principles are feasible if they can be applied without undue complexity and cost. Now we will come to the our fourth topic. This is These are necessity of accounting principles. Accounting principle information is better understood if it is prepared following the set of accounting principles. जैसे कि हम लोग पहले डिस्कस कर चुके थे, नेचर एंड अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स, अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट और अकाउंटिंग कन्वेंशंस. It means that the same accounting principles are followed by all entities in preparing their final accounts. Final accounts here shows that balance sheet of the firm at the last day of accounting year, 31st March or 31st December. Now we will come to our fifth topic, fundamental accounting assumptions or concepts. There are three assumptions: going on concept, consistency assumptions or एक है accrual basis assumptions. Going on concern assumption है, this assumption it is assumed that the business is there is no intention to close the business or scale down its operations significantly, and it is expected that it has not a fixed period of time. On the basis of this concept, fixed assets are recorded at their original cost and they are depreciated in a systematic manner in written down value method or in a straight line method. Consistency assumptions. According to consistency assumptions, accounting practices once selected and adopted should be applied consistently after a year. This concept helps in better understanding of accounting informations. This can be explained like जो कोई भी इंटरप्राइजेज है, अगर वो कोई भी एक रूल चुनता है, जैसे कि इसकी फाइनेंशियल ईयर फर्स्ट जनवरी से लेके 31 दिसंबर या कि कैलेंडर ईयर हो, तो वो उसको अपने इंटरप्राइजेज की लाइफ टाइम वही यूज़ करे रूल. नहीं तो उसका अकाउंटिंग पीरियड शुरू हो 1 अप्रैल से 31 मार्च. Here it is said the accounting practice may be changed if the law accounting standards require it. A change will be result in more meaningful presentation, so that the financial statement can be comparable with the last year to the current year accounting information. Third assumption, accrual assumption. According to accrual assumptions, a transaction is recorded in the books of account at the time when it is entered into and not when the settlement take place. मतलब कि a transaction जो रिकॉर्ड हो एट द टाइम ऑफ सेटलमेंट, मतलब कि वो ट्रांजेक्शन जो रिकॉर्ड तब हो जब इट हैज़ टेकन प्लेस, नॉट व्हेन द सेटलमेंट्स और द ट्रांजेक्शन हैज़ टेकन प्लेस. मतलब हम लोग समझ सकते हैं कि अगर कोई भी सामान हम लोग ने ख़रीदा है क्रेडिट पे, तो उसको जिस दिन हम लोग ने ख़रीदा है उस दिन लिखेंगे और जिस दिन पेमेंट हुआ है उस दिन नहीं. इट कैन बी एक्सप्लेन्ड when sale is complete or service are rendered, it is immaterial whether cash is received or not. It is our fifth topic, accounting principles. Here are 11 principles. First, accounting entity. According to business entity principle, business is considered to be separate from its owner. मतलब कि कोई भी बिजनेस अगर वो कंपनी है या पार्टनरशिप वाला है, तो इट शुड बी सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी. मतलब ओनर और बिजनेस दोनों अलग रहेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ. दे आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ जॉइंट. ओनर्स आर रिगार्डेड एज सेपरेट फ्रॉम बिजनेस एंड कंसिडर्ड एज क्रेडिटर टू द बिजनेस. मतलब कि बिजनेस के लिए ओनर उस कंपनी का एक क्रेडिटर ही है. Venue recognition concept is considered to have been realized when a transaction has been entered into. Means if we have get the advance in May and we have sold the things on June, so we will record the transaction at May, not in the June, like a accrual assumption. And 11th is verifiable objective concept. The verifiable objective concept hold that accounting should be free from personal bias. Measurements that are based on verifiable evidence are regarded as objective. So it can be seen that all the business transactions are recorded according to the evidence and supported, like cash memo, invoice, sales bill, etc. Now these are the 11th basics, concept and principle. Now we have subtopic left like accounting standards, management of accounting standards, nature of accounting standards, concept of accounting standards. These are revising chapters. If you want, you can ask from me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you want the notes of these chapters, so you can ask and write in the comment box. I will provide it as immediately as possible. You can take out this screenshot by pausing it. As these topics are for revision, you can revise this and you can take screenshot of all the topics which are left